Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the file, open the Google Slides app and tap the plus to start a new presentation. Sign into your Google account so your work auto-saves. This prevents lost edits. Pick a theme and set orientation now. Doing that up front keeps slide styles consistent. Once done, create a title slide and add a clear presentation title. Make sure to set default fonts and slide size so your layout won't shift later when you add images or text. Now you build the content. Add new slides using the layout menu and pick structures like title, 2-column, or blank for custom work. Insert images or videos and resize with corners for consistent spacing. Use align and distribute to keep elements tidy. If many slides share a look, edit the master to change global styles. This saves repeated work. Once content is placed, reorder slides by dragging. Duplicate complex slides to preserve formatting and speed up assembly. Finish by polishing transitions, animations, and speaker notes, then test in present mode to confirm timings. Export or share. Choose PDF for fixed layout or PPTX when collaborators need full editing. Make sure everything is readable on the target device. Adjust font sizes and contrast when necessary. If you encounter sync issues, toggle offline mode, force a manual sync, or clear the app cache. Doing this resolves most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.